Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Medeaij and today's video is going to be the spotlight makeup look using the Melt Cosmetics Gemini Palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. So I've already done one eye off camera and yeah, we're just going to jump right into it. I've used the Gemini palette before. I think I've already given my first impression about it on my YouTube channel, and generally I am not a huge fan of this palette. I love the color story, but I don't think I've given it as much love as I probably should. So we're going to use it today, and we're going to focus in on the browns today. So starting off with this darker brown, I'm going to start packing the color on the outer and inner portion of my eye to just create that smokiness on the inner and outer corner. And I'm being super messy with this look. You can use smaller brushes to be a bit more precise, but I kind of like the messy look. And then I'm using the tan brown color to just blend out the edge of that. I didn't pack too much color from the first one because I am going to go in with a little bit of a black, so I was just laying the colors for now. Going in with this ochre yellow color to further blend out and give me some just fluid blend. Just make sure there are no harsh lines, and then going in with the black, and I'm deepening that. And what I did off camera was go back with all the shades and just make sure that it's fully blended. You do want to take your time with this one. You can use smaller brushes if it helps, but that's kind of what you have to do. And then I'm using my NYX glitter primer to just set the base for the shimmer shadow. Now, Melt Cosmetics shimmer shadows are quite chunky. Ideally, I would have preferred to use a flat brush, or those flat, those flat brushes that don't have bristles, but I didn't have one, so I used the brush. You could try and use your finger if it has more give, but I think it generally worked okay. I wish it had a little bit more shine, but you know. And then foundation is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in F13.2. And at this point, I realized that I didn't apply my primer. So what I did off camera was to apply the primer on top, and then I went over with another layer of the Revolution. So yeah, I like, mistakes happen. You can always fix it, and living testimony because the look came out good. Concealer is the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define in C12.7. I'm now setting that with the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. Love this combination. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Completely done. To set the rest of my face, I'm using the Revolution Pro CC powder in warm golden, I believe. This is my setting powder, and I'm gutted that I've run out, which means I have to go into my backup. But I love this. This is my answer to the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. So if you know, you know. Give it a try. It's a good drugstore dupe. Eye pencil is the Glide On pencil from Revlon. I love this. This is the Sophia's liner in Mighty Mocha. And all I've done is go in with the first brown shade just to set that because I wanted more of a matte finish as opposed to a shimmer one. Bronzer is the Revolution Pro Bronzer in Enrobe. Love how warm this is. It bounces off really well with the color of my hair. Gives me definition, but also gives me some color to the face. I absolutely love it. Also love this brush from Colored Raine. I do have a discount code with Colored Raine. Speaking of Colored Raine, we're using this duo. This one is called Call the Shots. Love it. Such a beautiful, easy, effortless palette to use. I'm using the Morphe primer to prime my lashes. I'm actually testing it out by giving it a couple of minutes to sit before applying my mascara to see if it makes a difference. Going in with my lip pencil, this is from Revolution. This is just the brown lip pencil, pulls really cool tone, which is kind of what I was going for this look. And then my lipstick is the Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in nude. This is a gorgeous nude color. Popping that in between and just giving me, yeah, it's giving me life. I love the cool tone nature of it. Very pretty. And then I'm just going to go back with the mascara now, and I'm using the Revolution 5D mascara. I actually think that when you leave the primer to set, it actually gives your lashes more volume. So if you've got that primer from Morphe, definitely give it a go. My highlighter is from Pixi. I absolutely love this. This is the Duo in Delicate Dew. I used to use this quite a lot, but then when you have so many highlighters, things just get lost. But this is gorgeous. Also popping it in my inner corner just to give my eyes a little bit more shine. I'm using the setting spray from Revolution just to keep the makeup in place. It works really nicely, and this is the finished look. I really love how it came out. Love the cool tone nature. Love how it bounces off the hair. I am trying to test out the Gemini palette again and just give some more thought towards it, but so far I'm still not swayed with the shimmer shadows, but the matte, as I've always known Melt Cosmetics mattes to perform, still perform. So yeah, the jury's still out if I fully hate this palette or if it's alright, but so far it's doing the do. This look is gorgeous. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on your notification bell so you know when next I release a video. And remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black lives will always matter. And I'll catch you in a future video. And yeah, let me know what other palettes you guys want me to use. Just leave them in the comment section. Bye.